Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Monica and you are watching Better Life with Monica. Today we are in Shimla and we are going to Narkanda. On the way there is a waterfall and waterfall is totally freezed because of the low temperature. I want to give you the glimpse of the waterfall. So have a look guys. Water is totally freezed and it's totally ice. The view of this waterfall is so mesmerizing here. Look at this guys. It's totally ice. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Everywhere, guys. Nature has its own beauty. Feel that beauty and love.